Ever since I was a child, I've dreamt that I can fly. Slowly running along the playground at my local comprehensive, one foot then the next, lifting off the ground, the tiptoes of my fawn-coloured desert boots skimming the heads of my schoolmates who stare up in wonder. As I sail over the bike sheds towards the sports centre and the fields beyond, my school tie of crimson and gold stream behind me in the breeze. As the city slowly wakes, I board a train north. I imagine the thin blue cartographic line of my atlas bisecting the rail lines as we cross into the Arctic Circle. This is the home of Hans Christian Andersen's Lapwoman and the location of the Snow Queen's palace. A frozen landscape where Kay tirelessly attempted to spell out the word eternity with shards of ice. Not so different to my own attempts. Tethered to the front porch of the house, like a cowboy's steed in an old western, is a cherry-red kick-sled, with a little wooden seat mounted on long, elegant skis, a thing of true beauty. On this dreich, lowering kind of day filled with grey mizzle, I kick and glissade along snow-embanked lanes and tracks. As a young art student, I discovered the freedom of flight. I painted Chagall-esque figures flying above bandstands in city parks, and images of my sugar plum fairy pink painted bicycle, salvaged from a police auction, resplendent with wings, soaring into the skies high above Cardiff. Over time, the wings transplanted themselves onto women, either in bathtubs, hovering over patterned blood red and icy white star patchwork quilts, or swathed in Fair Isle jumper wingsuits just before takeoff, then drifting high above the land. I become a shapeshifter, a bird woman. I gradually raise my straightened arms away from my sides till they are level with my shoulders. Then down, then up. Repeating the movement again and again. My shadow follows. Transforming me from a woman in a long bulky winter coat. To that of a large bird slowly flapping its wings, readying for flight.